Welcome. Today, I will guide you how to apply for EPR Plastic step by step.
First, you need to visit the EPR Plastic website and register your company with company details and documents and save. This way, your login credentials will be created and you will use the credentials to enter the portal and to apply further. In application form, it shall be ensured that copy of following documents is readily available with applicant. PAN, GST, CIN, IEC for importer of the company. Aadhaar and PAN of authorized person. Process flow diagram for producers only. Scanned copy of signatures of authorized persons. Covering letter. And document regarding any other information which the unit wishes to provide. After login, fill Part A to D of the application. A. General info, states of operation, product details. B. Not applicable for importers. C. Waste and procurement, add supplier country, invoice and plastic category. D. EPR action plan, auto-generated targets, verify details, upload covering letter, pay fees and submit. Once approved, download your EPR registration certificate from the dashboard. Once the application is submitted, it will show you auto-approved. Also, the certificate generation takes time up to 1 month. Meanwhile, you can get your shipment cleared by showing this acknowledgement copy to the custom officer, if required. We, at Goodman Exim Consulting, help you for end-to-end services. Our expert team is always available to support you during the process. For any concern, please contact us on the given details and we will get back to you. Thanks.